Back on Wednesday this week, I visited Shillong and this is what went down. But before that, you need to register yourself in the website given in the description so that you can have your COVID test. And just like that, we reached Barney Hart. Hello guys, and I hope everybody's doing great. So just right now you saw the scenario what's going on in Guwahati to Meghalaya highway, and right now we are waiting in Barney Hart to test ourselves. I don't know what is going to come, positive or negative. The line is very long and I just came to my car to keep my camera because I cannot go in there with my camera. I will have to take my phone. Can you remember this guy? This guy was from my Shillong video who fell down. And here again we are together doing our test and going to Shillong. He also have some work. And for those who don't know about whether to do the test to go to Shillong or not, whether it's necessary, yes, it is necessary. Before going to Shillong or entering Meghalaya, you need to do your COVID test. And yeah, you need to do your COVID test. After that only you will get the acceptance to enter the state. That's it. Now I hope that I don't get positive. This is the only positive word that seems negative. Ui, nokori ba ako yan eh. So guys, after a very long wait for almost around 6 hours, because we came here in 7:30, no 8:30 we reached here, and now it's around 1:30 and we got our certificate. It's negative. This is a very lengthy process, so it will be better if you do your test somewhere else, and then with your negative certificate you can come and show here. Then they will allow you to pass and you can visit Shillong. And also the pass is available for 24 hours. That means if you take the pass today, then it will be valid till tomorrow morning 11 a.m. That's it. So now we just have to go to Shillong. So that's it. Let's go. Just like that, we are out on our way to Shillong, but on the way it started pouring heavy rain. It was so strong that the visibility was very low and we had to stop our car. But it felt good. It was absolutely awesome to experience such kind of rain, and that is also very suddenly. And then comes the plot twist. We were suddenly stopped by the cops when we entered Shillong, and while asking why, they told us that we had the black paper on in our car and we had to rip it off, and we were also fined for the black paper. Guys, we just raced Shillong, and right now I'm in my friend's place. So the main reason of this video was to inform you guys how to visit Meghalaya in this current situation. And as you guys have already known that how it goes, what we have to face and what we have to go through. We will be leaving after some time. There is no visiting any other places because we have very less time, as it took very much time to pass the COVID test. We'll meet in the next video, and if you guys like the video and if it is a little bit of helpful to you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you again.